Congratulations, graduate students! The graduate hooding ceremony is the most important part of graduate commencement. Here are some tips to keep in mind. If the colorful side of your hood is showing, you have it inside out. You'll need to reverse your hood so the colors are on the inside and not showing. This is the proper way to fold your hood. The velvet strip is on top and the curved extension is facing down. Graduate hoods have a button on the inside. Make sure the button is not clasped or the dean will not be able to properly hood you. Don't let this happen to you. Wear your cap forward on the top of your head. If worn too low, it can easily be knocked off. When it's your turn to be hooded, make sure the velvet edge is facing your elbow. As you approach, please extend your arm and kneel slightly to make it easier for the dean. SF State congratulates you, and we look forward to seeing you at commencement.